How to copy and paste text on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open any website that you want to copy text from. Hold on to the first text. After that, you'll find this kind of screen. Now drag the arrow and drag it wherever you want to stop. You'll find all these options. If you click on select all, you will be able to select all the text from the website or anywhere. Click on copy at the top. After you've copied, go to the app where you want to paste and hold on and then click on paste at the top. After you click on paste at the top, your text will be pasted. This is how to copy and paste text on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.